And so let's continue, I would say, from where we left off the last time. So in the previous video, there was this issue where when the list is large, some of the actions like selecting the items and stuff, so it becomes super bad. So just a minute. Okay, so some of the selecting tasks and all, like these, it becomes super slow. So what I wanted to do was implement some sort of a solution like React window, wherein only the elements that are present in the viewport will be present in the DOM. So, but that was taking like too much time. So instead, what I looked into was, so whenever I removed the drop zone code logic that is present for dropping files so that it can be uploaded. So whenever I removed that, the issue wasn't there. So whenever I removed that, the app was working nice and fast. So what I did is basically go to drop zone. Yep. So this is the props from drop zone that we need to pass on to the div. And whichever div that we pass on it to, uh, that div becomes a drop zone. So you can basically drop files within the div and it gets uploaded. So I had to destructure this get root props, but whenever I commented out this get root props, the app would work fine. It would be fast and uh, yep, it would work perfect. I wouldn't say perfect, but yeah, way better than before. So I just saw what and all props that this bought and was just removing one by one and just seeing what happened. So in the end, I found out these two were the problems. So when I removed on blur and on focus, that is given by get root props, then the issue was solved. There wasn't any delay and everything worked fine. And again, I also tested the file upload and it worked fine irrespective of these two functions. So awesome. So these two were the problem. Once I removed this, it worked fine. But why are these two the problems? I don't know yet. But yep, at least the issue is solved for now. And don't think removing these two are going to cause any problems because in the end, we just want things to work and single file upload and multi-file upload works. So yep, super awesome. So that was that issue. And now I'm going to sit on the other issue, which is the focus issue. So whenever sometimes the focus gets locked and yep, the app just freezes. So yep, so I'm just going to open this random link. So this one is State Street, just looking into big companies in the world, and State Street was one of them. Just wanted some bookmark to upload. So yep, what I'm going to do is first I'm going to try to recreate that situation. So yep, it's recreated now. So the focus, once I added this, went to this div, and now nothing will be responsive. So if I click trash, it's not going to work. So I'm actually clicking. If I click this, it's not going to work. If I open the edit modal, nothing works. So yep, so now I need to basically find a way to fix this issue. Not sure how. So one thing that I found, so I just don't want this automatic focuses to. So now to happen. So now even if I open my inspect element, even that is not working. So I need to use my right click button. The keyboard shortcut didn't work, which I just used right now. So now the focus is in this element, and it's only because of that you can see the color of this one collection has changed to dark gray because that's in focus. And if I go here, so if you see here, I think there will be something that says that this is focus class drop target. So if you see drop target is initiated for some reason, which shouldn't actually happen. So don't want Trackable true, drop target area described by. Okay, cool. So if I remove this, not sure what is exactly going on, but if I press tab, then even then the app is just stuck. It's not responsive at all. So if you see, focus has gone to this element. Okay, the issue is with the drag and drop library, I think. So I want to find a way to disable focus. So React React Spectrum is what I'm using. Disable focus. Prevent for use button. Is there any use button that I'm using? Nope, no use button. But what changes do I have? Okay, just tab index, but let me go to collections list. So in collections list, you have this single list item. So I'm going to open this as well. So these are the individual collections. These are the list of collections. So here I'm just going to maybe add something like prevent. Nope, not there. If I can add something here, prevent. Nope, it's not there. Something like focus maybe. Not there. Okay, let me go into this element. Ref use list box. On focus, autofocus, false. Okay. Is there any prevent over here? No prevent. Is there any prevent over here? Previous Wednesday. Okay, whatever. Okay, so let's see if this thing actually solves the issue. For some reason, I actually didn't get the issue. But let's see if dragging stuff was working. Okay, it's working. Let me drag over here. Okay, it's working. Let me drag multiple items now. Okay, so far it's working. So, but I'm totally not confident that this is the issue. This is the fix for the issue. So I just moved a bunch of stuff to trash. I'm gonna clear trash. Okay, I also need to add appropriate loaders because the loaders some are not pleasant in some places. It's actually a pain, I would say. I'm gonna add this link like 20 times. See if this issue is going to come up again. One time, two times, three times. Wait, I just added it three times. Yep. Four times, five times, six times, seven times, eight times, nine times, 10 times. Okay. Alright, so I just added this 10 times. So far, I did not get the issue. Just going to delete these. Go over here. Okay, so I think this trash API is actually making sometimes causing some delay. So yep, maybe you should make that optimistic the count, just the count. So let me clear trash. Okay, cool. Just a minute. Just need to respond to some messages. Okay, so far I didn't get issues, but I'm not going to trust this app that actually fixed the issue. I'm going to open this in a new tab, and I'm going to add more images. So unsplash, take some random hand image. I'm going to add this again 10 times. One time. Oh, there we go. We got the issue again. So look, so that is not the issue. It didn't solve the issue. So something is, so if I add this again, okay, now it's totally unresponsive. Something is happening. If I add it now, yep, there we go. Got the issue again. Okay, so React Spectrum is getting locked. Focus scopes causing unintended. From element. So there is a way to end up with the focus being trapped into the logic in the use restore focus. Have a focus stop as autofocus that requires an unmounting element as node to rehydrate. Right up away from the focus element. Not sure this is the issue. Because in my case, the app just gets stuck. So, but let's see. I wasn't able to read this in Chrome, but I was on Safari. I was definitely able to read this issue in Chrome on OS X. Okay, I think I have a fix for it. This probably might be useful. Is there any comments with positive emojis? Okay, not sure, but anyway, guys, I think my time for today is up for streaming. But yep, quested on this issue. Try to fix the focus strap issue for today, and if that is done, I think at least for now the major issues will be fixed, and then I'm going to hopefully some people might use this app, and then we'll get more issues to fix. So yep, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.